Hello there, you're watching India Today Television. I'm Sneha Moldani. This is our special broadcast. We're talking about an issue that has in fact got the entire country wondering what is going on. We're talking about the NEET exams, which as we know has been in news for all the wrong reasons as to how 67 toppers have got the perfect score of 720 of 720. Students are raising questions. Parents are worried about the future and the career of the students. Many, in fact, toppers are wondering, in spite of the perfect score, can they get their dream college? Can they get admissions into the dream college? The government says there is no paper leak and says that there is no wrongdoing. The Supreme Court, of course, as we know, is monitoring this entire issue. Grace marks, of course, given to over 1,500 students have been scrapped. What lies ahead? What is the road ahead? And to talk about this and much more, joining us this evening is Jitin Chawla, eminent career counsellor, also Vivek Thakur, managing director and founder, Scholars Den, and former alumni of IIT Kharagpur. Thank you so much for your time. Dr. N.K. Sharma, director, Harbin Academy. Thank you for your time again. The government says there's no paper leak. Is there a reason to doubt the government?
I think there is. I think there is because there has been a systematic this thing. Yeah.
Yes.
Ample reasons to doubt. Why? Because I am the person who fought 2017 famous case of JEE Advanced against Government of India and IIT Madras. Ma'am, year after year, students have to give exam multiple times. Once when they appear in NEET or JEE, and then after that, their patience is tested. They have to come on the streets to get the justice done. They have to go to Supreme Court. Why can't government look into this, that year after year, people are raising question and you are listening only to NTA? Why can't you listen to the experts like me, who were there? The papers were over at 5:20 p.m. Ma'am. Papers came to me at 5:30. When we 10 teachers were solving the paper, the first reaction was, this paper is little bit easier than 2023. Now, in this case, how come two students from 720 marks in 2023, it has reached 67 marks?
How
Ma'am, as a doctor,
that number is mind-boggling because
mind-boggling. It is almost
totally
10 times.
mind-boggling, and there is obviously there has been some, and especially because some centers like Jhajjar Center has come into the news.
Where there were 6 or 7 toppers from that one center.
Jhajjar in Haryana.
Jhajjar Center,
yes.
So obviously there has been some manipulation somewhere, and that is why it's a systematic failure on part of the government, and which has to be addressed. Which has to be,
It has to be addressed.
Earlier,
The fact of the matter now is that
6,
even
10
those
rank.
who've got 720 will not be getting admission to their dream college.
Also six.
What a student can do maximum is he can score 720, and even in 720 he's not sure he will get his dream college, AIIMS Delhi.
Yes.
If a doctor finds an unusual spike in the heart rate of patient, he investigates that there must be something wrong in the body, and there is sudden 10 times, 15 times spike in the rank versus marks, and you are thinking that you are saying that nothing has happened.
The government.
There are many students who are telling me that they were offered that 2 hours before the exam, if you want the paper, the charges are 5 lakhs. If you want 2 days before, the charge is 20 lakhs. This is in the knowledge of students for almost 2-3 years.
Anybody wants to talk about this aspect? Yes, please come here. Please come here. In fact, you also please come here and talk to us about this alleged corruption that you all are talking about. Yes.
So it's about 2022. I was studying in Delhi, Janakpuri. There was a friend of mine who was telling me that you can get the exam paper a couple of hours before the exam. And this is the certain amount. And if you want it before some time, you can increase the amount and you will get a smartphone with it so that you can recheck the answers. I was doubting it back then, but now I think it might be true.
And this is not true only for this exam, but so many other exams which happen. Somewhere the process gets off the track. People are approached, students are approached from various quarters and given offers. Sometimes, there are consulting companies which are also helping them do that. So obviously there is something big at play which has to be investigated and found out. And then the people who are there have to be held liable.
Okay.
That's how it should be.
What's your experience? And tell us about, did you appear for the exams as well?
Yes, ma'am. My name is Vasu Chauhan. And I'm scoring 642 this year.
Okay. All right. Tell me.
So, ma'am, जैसे कि सब लोग बोल रहे हैं कि एग्जाम इतना इजी था और ये था, आई थिंक मोस्ट ऑफ द लोगों ने वो एग्जाम दिया ही नहीं जिसके बारे में बोल रहे हैं कि वो इजी था. हमारे हमारे 20 इयर्स के एक्सपीरियंस टीचर हैं. हमारी ऑर्गेनिक की मैम है डॉक्टर सारिका मेहता, वो कह रही है कि पेपर आसान नहीं है. हमारे 20 इयर्स के फिजिक्स के टीचर हैं, वो ये कह रहे हैं कि पेपर आसान नहीं है. और जिन लोगों ने पेपर दिया भी नहीं है वो ये कह रहे हैं पेपर आसान है. एक बात को ये भी नहीं कह रहे कि पेपर उस लेवल का है
नहीं,
मतलब
issue यहाँ पे,
20% बच्चे बड़े हैं तो 20% का रैंक इन्फ्लेमेशन आता तो मैं मान लेता।
मैम,
Okay.
IITs
Please
के
come in, please
IITs के और टॉप जो गवर्नमेंट कॉलेजेस हैं उनके प्रोफेसर आप 20-20 हर सब्जेक्ट के बिठा दीजिए, पूछ लीजिए कि दोनों पेपर में कितना डिफरेंस
No,
है।
no, but that's not the issue here. I think the larger issue here is the kind of lack of trust that the students, teachers, parents have now around these exams.
No, ma'am, it is
There
connected. It is connected because NTA is saying that there is a spike
Yes.
because the paper was very
Very
easy.
simple.
Very
Okay.
easy. 10x
Okay.
spike because
But
the paper
again,
was,
there is the NTA.
This is lie.
Ji, ji,
This is
ji.
white lie.
You know, okay, let me hold the mic for you, please. Yes.
थैंक यू मैम। और मैम जैसा कि कह रहे हैं कि जो 3 लाख बच्चे ऐड हुए हैं, मतलब हर साल 17 से 20 लाख हुए हैं, 20 से 23 लाख या 24 लाख हुए हैं, तो इस प्रकार का रैंक इन्फ्लेमेशन नहीं आता था। इतने होशियार बच्चे मुझे नहीं लगता अभी ऐड हुए हैं। होपफुली मैं चाहता हूं मेरी इंडिया में कि ऐसे बच्चे ऐड हुए,
Okay.
पर अभी तक इतने बच्चे ऐड नहीं हुए। मैम मैं सुबह 7 बजे में, सर मेरे सामने है, मैं सुबह 7 बजे अपने इंस्टीट्यूट जाता था और रात को 10 बजे वहां से आता था। हमारे इंस्टीट्यूट ने हमारी फैसिलिटी कर रखी है, आप सुबह से 10 बजे तक वहां जा सकते हो। मेरी मदर मैम मुझको, ये बहुत पर्सनल हो सकता है, 2 चपाती देती थी, मैं उसमें काम चलाता था और उसके बाद की जिससे मेरा वेट ना बढ़े, मैं पढ़ सकूं। मैम मुझे नहीं लगता कि हर व्यक्ति ने जो इन्होंने बढ़ाए हैं कि इस लेवल पर उन्होंने जाके मेहनत करी होगी। ये हमारी मेहनत का वेस्ट है। जैसे कि टीचर कह रहे हैं कि ये एग्जाम आपकी लाइफ नहीं हो सकता। मैं बचपन से सपना देख रहा हूँ, मुझे डॉक्टर बनना है। अगर ये नीट नहीं है, ये एनटीए ये घोटाला कर रहा है, मैं डॉक्टर नहीं बन सकता।
गवर्नमेंट हैज सेड, लेट मी आस्क यू अ क्वेश्चन। सरकार का ये कहना है, एजुकेशन मिनिस्टर ने ये कहा है कि इस पे कोई गड़बड़ी नहीं हुई है। दिस इज दिस इज बीन लुक्ड एट वेरी केयरफुली। देयर इज नो पेपर लीक, देयर इज नो रॉन्ग डूइंग, वी आर लुकिंग इनटू द मैटर। डज दैट स्टेटमेंट इंस्पायर एनी कॉन्फिडेंस? क्या आपको लगता है कि नहीं ठीक है, सरकार देख रही है?
ऑफ कोर्स नॉट। सरकार ने
सुप्रीम कोर्ट भी से देख रही है, ये मामला फिर से आने वाला है कोर्ट में। द सुप्रीम कोर्ट इज गोइंग टू हियर दिस मैटर।
मैम पता नहीं 8 जुलाई को हमें जस्टिस मिल भी पाएगा या फिर नहीं। ये कहा जा रहा है कि इस पेपर को अपनी लाइफ से ना जोड़ें। भाई कैसे? मुझे डॉक्टर बनना था, मैं डॉक्टर नहीं बन पाऊंगा। मेरी पूरी लाइफ में मैं डॉक्टर नहीं बन पाया। हमें बचपन से सिखाया गया है, जो चीज अच्छी लगी वो करो।
आपकी क्या डिमांड्स? आप क्या चाहते हैं? कैंसिलेशन हो, रीअपियरेंस हो एग्जाम्स का? ये
ऑफ कोर्स मैम, री एग्जाम होना चाहिए। मैं तो ये कहूंगा एनटीए को हटाई दो, क्योंकि अगर री एग्जाम में भी उन्होंने ये धांधली करी तो हम कैसे बच पाएंगे?
So no faith in the government committee. This NTA should be done away with. I'll just
इनिशिएटिव लिया आज तक ने, आप इंडिया टुडे ग्रुप में आपको कांग्रेचुलेट करूंगा मैम। आप सिर्फ आपके प्लेटफॉर्म को यूज करते हुए मैं कहूंगा कि अगर इस देश में हर साल हमेशा परीक्षा पे चर्चा होती है तो एक बार रिजल्ट पे चर्चा करने के लिए आप सारे बच्चों को, सारे एक्सपर्ट्स को बुला लीजिए ना प्लीज।
okay.
मेरा महिमानंद गोला है। जैसे एनटीए बार बार बोलता रहता है कि वो ट्रांसपेरेंट बॉडी है, वो कि बोले सब कुछ सबके सामने कराया हमने। उसने एनटी ने हमें 718 719 मार्क्स नहीं आता, तो हमें तो ग्रेस मार्क्स का पता भी नहीं चलता कितना बड़ा घोटाला हुआ है, कोई पता नहीं लगता। और बार बार कह रहे हैं कि बॉडी को ये अपनी लाइफ से मत जोड़ के। सर मेरा सपना था डॉक्टर बनने का, मेरे पूरे परिवार को पता लग गया था कि 635 आ रहे, कितना होता पिछली बार 607 पे मिल गया था। ओबीसी का हूं मैं, 610 चली जाती, 15 चली जाती, 20 चली जाती। पूरे परिवार में पता है, सब गांव मोहल्ले में सबको पता लग गया कि बन गया डॉक्टर बनने वाला लड़का, एमबीबीएस में पहुंच जाएगा। अब मेरे पास तो कुछ ऑप्शन ही नहीं है।
NTA has some serious answering to do. We'd like to come in. Yes, some serious answering to do also.
मैम एनटीए का आंसरिंग ये है, पिछले 6 साल 7 साल का उठा के देखें मैम, एवरी ईयर नीट एग्जाम को लेकर लिटिगेशन होता ही होता है। गवर्नमेंट को मैम हमें सुनना चाहिए, गवर्नमेंट को बच्चों से सुनना चाहिए, टीचर्स को बुला के, एक्सपर्ट्स की उनकी बात एक बार सुनिए तो क्या कहना चाह रहे हैं। और मैम मैं एक सिर्फ लाइन जोड़ना चाहूंगा, दुष्यंत कुमार की पंक्तियां हैं कि सिर्फ हंगामा खड़ा, इन बच्चों के भी यहाँ पे बोल रहा हूँ मैम, सिर्फ हंगामा खड़ा करना हमारा मकसद नहीं, सारी कोशिश है कि ये सूरत बदलनी चाहिए। इसको हमेशा के लिए सही करिए। To get into in a given college, the expenses are around 20 to 25 lakhs for the entire MBBS school.
The stakes are very high.
If you go for private college, it is 1 crore plus. So this is the most vulnerable exam because these students, they cannot afford. So they are chasing NEET exam. There is a difference of almost 75 lakhs, which middle class family cannot afford. So that is why it is most vulnerable. People can pay you 25 lakhs.
And that's why additional scrutiny is required, and that was missing here, is what you're saying, or at least the NTA says that everything was okay and we're going to be looking into this matter. That's the reason why these statements are not inspiring confidence. We'll have to end this conversation here, but this conversation at this point in time is ending, but we are not going to stop covering this story. The matter is with the Supreme Court of India, and this matter is going to be heard in just some days from now. July 8th is when this matter comes up. We hope they look into the actual problems that the students are facing. Not just the fact that they are upset, but also the fact that they're agonized mentally. And I think that's a bigger problem that many students are facing. I want to thank all of you for joining in, thanking our guests as well. It's an important discussion, and we're not losing sight of this story right here at India Today Television. That's it from me for the moment. News continues on the other side.